Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best Halloween cookie cutters set on the market, the QtoiKce 9-piece stainless steel Halloween cookie cutters set. If you're looking to add some festive fun to your baking this Halloween, this set might just be exactly what you need. Right off the bat, this set includes 9 different cookie cutter shapes that are perfect for capturing the spirit of Halloween. You get classic shapes like a pumpkin, ghosts, a bat, a black cat, a witch's hat, a skull, and even a coffin. This variety gives you plenty of creative freedom to make spooky and fun treats that will impress at any Halloween party or family gathering. One of the standout features of these cookie cutters is the material. They're made from pure stainless steel. This isn't just about durability. Stainless steel means the cutters maintain a stable shape and won't easily bend or warp. The metal also has a polished finish, giving it a smooth surface that helps in easily shaping and releasing cookies without much hassle. Safety and comfort were clearly thought about in the design. The top edges of the cutters have rolled edges, which protect your fingers while you press down. This design means you don't need to apply excessive force to get a clean cut. A gentle press is enough, making them convenient and comfortable to use, especially if you're making a large batch of cookies. What's great about these cutters is their versatility beyond just cookies. You can use them for cutting gummies, fruits, cheese, vegetables, or even craft clay. So whether you're preparing themed snacks or fun DIY projects with kids, this set adapts perfectly to various creative needs during the Halloween season. The size of the cutters is designed to be practical, not too small, not too large, making them ideal for decorating sugar cookies or other baked goods. The set comes with a total of 9 pieces, which is perfect for those who want a good range of Halloween shapes without having to collect individual cutters. From a care perspective, these cookie cutters are best hand-washed to maintain their polished finish and prolong their lifespan. They're lightweight, which makes them easy to handle, store, and transport if you're taking your baking skills to a friend's house or a party. This QtoiKce Halloween cookie cutters set is more than just a kitchen tool. It's a way to bring festive joy and creativity into your baking routine. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just having fun with the family, this set makes Halloween baking both easy and enjoyable. If you want to add a touch of Halloween magic to your treats this season, the QtoiKce 9-piece stainless steel Halloween cookie cutters set is definitely worth checking out. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews.